What up, world? It's your boy Red Dog here. The home slice, home piece, home everything.
And I'm Ra. What up, y'all? We here today making some trout we caught. Yummy, yummy in my tummy.
Yeah.
Y'all see? Here, we'll drop this fish. I still got mine though. So we out here making it. So first time hooking it up. Never did it before, so we watched some YouTube videos on how to make it. Don't remember the lady name. I wish I could give her a shout out right now. But the lady who made it did a fantastic job. It looked delicious. So we're gonna try it out, and hopefully y'all like it. Follow us, subscribe to the channel, all that. Do this. So what she said, we gotta cut the tails off first. All right, so we're gonna go do that now. Cut the tails off. You need some sharp knives, though. You need some sharp knives.
As you can see, the struggle is real over here.
Right? The struggle's real, y'all. The struggle is real. You know what? I got an idea. Try it with this. You got yours off already? Oh, you heard that? Oh, y'all heard that?
Thanks. We're gonna make life a lot easier around here.
Then she said cut the gills off.
Still got cut.
You still got it.
Stand up so you can be chopped down. Fish is very slippery.
We need some more sharper materials.
Let's get the job done. It's just that they're in a row and it's bones. Bones is hard to get off. See that?
So you won't get cut. Let me hold it. I'm scared you're gonna cut me though.
Try to get the whole. Alright. The next step.
We got the fins off, guys. You see? We got it off as best we could. All the fins, we're gonna take those off so you won't get cut in the future. So the next step is, they said put a little slit right here. Don't go all the way into it, they said. Just a little bit. Like that. Got it? Safety first, so always remember. Do you go at an angle and cut up this way? I can see that at an angle, so just gonna do that.
The disappointment is real, people. The disappointment is real.
Yeah, people. I mean, we did somewhat. We got it all the bones and everything out. You feel me? Fast forward, you see? You can see through it a little bit. See it, front and back. Got the meat off of it, and mine came out looking like this. Y'all see that? I know a lot of y'all, people who do it a lot, know we ain't get that much meat off of it. But for the first time, I think that's good. For the first time we ever doing it. Look at his.
Terrible. Just terrible.
Yeah, we left the skin on, so that's how that looks right there.
Now we're about to put them into our seasoning. We got a little bit of Old Bay, a little bit of salt, some pepper.
Oh, I'll show you what we got. We got a little bayou.
Not a little, a lot.
Look at a lot of that. Got some garlic powder. Put that in front. Got a little dab of salt, not too much salt. And of course, got that pepper.
Put a little bit more of that in there.
Mix it on up with a little bit more pepper. Those are seasonings right there. And the reason, people, it looked like this is because the knives we was using wasn't so sharp. So, reminder for next time, make sure sharp knives. Alright, now all we do is just put it in the flour and put it in the oil. I'll do it first, show you an example. flap it up in there. You can use your hands. I'm gonna use a spoon. Just cover it up in there. Cover it up in there nice. Basically buried up in there. R.I.P. Fish. Flip it over. Feel me? Get it all nice, then take it on out of there.
Yeah.
Then we're gonna drop it into the oil.
Yeah, you can do that. Yeah.
Follow me with it. Follow me with the camera. Take the camera off the mount. That would be smart.
Shut up.
Hurry up. Gotta get violent with them. Look, alright, y'all see? Y'all see it? Follow me over here to the oil. Well, the oil don't look that hot, but we're gonna do it anyway. We're gonna turn it up a little bit more.
You gonna regret that.
I'm gonna regret it.
Just put it in there.
It's on medium.
Just put it in there.
It's on medium.
Just put it in there.
So what do you mean?
Nothing. Oh my God. Just put the fish in
there
there.
you go. Wait, should I do skin down or skin up?
Skin down.
Skin down. Oh, and there you go. Oh, shoot, the oil too high. Do the next one. Come follow me. Boom, like that. Take one of the small ones. The small one I got. I'm leaving a little small skillet, so. With that, boom. Hopefully there's some meat on this one. I'm gonna get done. Boom, and there you go. And that's how it look. You wait a few minutes, then you flip it. When it's like, come over here. When you see it's brown on the side or whatever. You see a little, when it get a little golden brown. Matter of fact, let me cut it on the. How's it look? Can y'all see? From the light. Check it out. Zoom in there. When you see the edges getting brown. Oops. You see the edges. When you see those getting brown, then you flip it. But we're gonna let man flour here.
We're out here making a mockery of this fish. Doing it well too. Pretty sure that I might still have a bone. Got a real keeper here, guys. Got a keeper powder. That one's gonna be demolished.
Alright guys, mine's is finished. Man is, you see his is in there. Right now cooking up. Feel me? He got his all floured, ready to go. His is almost finished. And mine is finished. Looks delicious, right? See how this one came out? This one was like a dinosaur. Roar! Or an elephant. You see it? My little elephant. My little elephant, y'all. Little small pieces, but hey, guess what, yo? It's gonna hit the spot, and it might taste good.
How should they turn brown yet?
You see, I like mine nice and crunchy. You see a little burnt on the edges and whatever. Delish, yo. Delish. Boom, bow. And that is how you cook fish that you have caught. Free food. That's what man call it. Free food. Follow us, subscribe to the channel, all that. Peace, y'all.